Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your USB drive or external disk is acting weird, like files not opening, slow performance, or errors popping up, this quick fix can help you out. In this video, I'll show you how to scan and repair a specific drive using a powerful Windows command. First, connect your drive. In this example, we're using the H drive. Now click on the Start menu, type CMD. Open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: CHKDSK h:/f/r/x. The /f option fixes any errors found on the disk. The /r option searches for bad sectors and tries to recover any readable data. And the /x option forces the drive to dismount before the scan begins, making sure the process runs properly. If the drive is currently in use, Windows may ask for permission to dismount it. Just press Y and hit Enter. Now the scanning process will begin. This might take some time depending on the size and condition of your drive, so just let it run. Once it's done, your drive will be repaired automatically, and any recoverable data will be restored. And that's it. You've successfully checked and fixed disk errors on your drive using a simple command. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.